Question number 2, again fairly straightforward, just requiring you to factorise these three expressions. So in the first expression, we should recognise that we could actually write this as 5a squared minus 10 squared. And what we've got here is actually the difference of two squares then. And the difference of two squares we can express as 5a plus 10 multiplied by 5a minus 10. For part B, we are looking then for two numbers which multiply to give us 14 and add to give us negative 15. So those two numbers are going to be x minus 14 and x minus 1. For part C, then the only one that's a little bit harder here, so when you've got a coefficient of x squared that's greater than 1, we need to do things slightly differently. So we're looking here for two numbers which multiply to give us 12 and add to give us negative 8. So we're then going to split the middle term into those two numbers. So 2x squared, the two numbers which multiply to give us 12 and add to give us negative 8 are going to be negative 6, so we put negative 6x, and negative 2, so we put negative 2x, and then the plus 6 comes down. We're now going to factor the first pair, so from here I can take out 2x, and I'm left with x minus 3. And then we're also going to factorise the second pair. From here I can take out negative 2, and I'm left with x minus 3. Then you can see that both pairs have got x minus 3, so I can factor that out, and I am left with 2x minus 2, and that is the solution.